How to enable captions in Google Meet for real-time subtitles. So firstly, open up Google Meet and then join or start a meeting. So you need to be in a meeting in order to turn on subtitles. So let me join a meeting. I'll just join a dummy meeting here. So just for this video. So once you have already joined your meeting, so once you're already in a meeting, well, and once you get to your meeting screen here, once after you have joined, so you'll see all the toolbars options here underneath. So to turn on the captions, what you have to do is simply click on this CC icon, which is this caption icon here. If you don't see that on your toolbars, then you will able to find it here when you click on these three dots here. Just click on it, more options, and when you click on it, then you will be able to find it there. Okay, so once you got it, all you have to do is hit on it. So turn that on, so that will turn on the captions. See, I've turned it on, and as you can see our real-time subtitles now popping up. So that's how you turn on the subtitles. And then once you have turned on, so if you want to turn it off, all you have to do is simply the same thing, or click on the same button again, and that will turn off the subtitles. And also by default, these subtitles will be in the meeting's spoken language. You can change it later in the settings option if you want to. And also keep a note that these captions are only visible to you, so the other participants in your meeting might need to enable them by themselves if they want these subtitles. And that's pretty much it is. Hope this video was helpful. I will see you in another video. Thank you.